Do subscribe to our channel to learn about latest technology and check out our new inventions every week.
So to understand this platform, you can just visit nevonexpress.com. You can download Visual Studio. So you can see the features. It has a code editor, then we have debugger, then we have designer, and we have other testing, collaboration and related tools. And we come down here to first of all, we start with the web and cloud-based technologies. And ASP.NET, as I said before, it is used for web development or web-based systems. We also have other tool sets. So this basically gives you an idea of how vast the Visual Studio platform is.
Admin logins using his or her credentials. Admin can manage labor details, adds new labor details, and also updates it. Admin can manage product details, add new products, upload product images, and also update product details. Admin can view user details, also view order details. Admin can add product-related queries in dataset. View queries in dataset. User can register and log in onto the system. Users can buy products and add to cart. COD and credit card payment options are available for users. Users can view their order details. Users can inquire about their products using Chatbot. Chatbot will respond with related text to product-related queries. Chatbots suggest to ask product-related queries for queries not in dataset.